So John Hazlett is the guy that I watched that totally changed everything.
Hey folks, John Hazlett here, Ashland Fly Shop.
He talked about drawing a hot dog in the sky. And I like hot dogs, so it worked out for me. But you know what the thing was? The biggest deal of that video, making sure that you point your rod tip to the shore, to the bank rather. When I saw that, like just go to the bank and then shoot it out, it was game on for me. It was just making sure that when I initiated the snake roll process in the first place, like driving the line behind me towards the bank, that was the thing that made it all possible. Honestly, going towards the bank is the biggest process of the snake roll. So my rod, everything is right down. I'm on the dangle right now, and I'm going to literally go 90 degrees to my right towards the bank with my rod. And I'm gonna draw a big hot dog, and it just goes way out, man. This is such a powerful cast. I cannot emphasize how powerful this is. I'm using a Skagit line with T12 on it, and it sinks 3 to 5. It's density compensated, and I could still do snake rolls all day long. And these are the things that people say, oh, you shouldn't really do snake rolls with like heavier sink tips and Skagit and stuff. Nah, man, you can do it all you want. Hot dog analogy was so incredible though. When I saw that and I noticed that he was doing the hot dog, he was pointing, he talked about in his situation, there was like some tree line, and I believe, if I remember the video, he talks about he's pointing the rod tip at the tree line and drawing a hot dog or a racetrack pattern or whatever. So those trees out there, I made sure that that was my target for that hot dog. And the skinnier the hot dog is, the wilder this snake roll is gonna get and more energy. So the bigger the hot dog, the fatter the hot dog, the slower pace it's gonna be. And let me show you. So I'm gonna draw a big hot dog, and you can see the loop was a little bigger. It's a slower pace, slower cadence, not as much tempo, which is awesome. But if I made that hot dog like a skinny wiener, so a little skinny wiener, and it obviously you can see the tempo's quicker. So basically what I'm saying is, the bigger the hot dog that you draw at the top, the more slower it's gonna be for you, and vice versa. Because this is a touch and go cast, you have to make sure that your anchor actually touches the water, or else it's gonna blow out and it might hook you. So I'm gonna go a big one. I see that touch and I just go for it. Once I see that sink tip and that leader touch, or a little bit of sink tip, a little bit of leader touch, it's going forward. Like, that's my key. That is your signal to get it going. So we're gonna go, boom, touches, out it goes. As soon as I see it touch the water, I gotta initiate going forward, or else it's just gonna, well, let me just show you. So I'm gonna go, and now it's totally out. And it kind of goes out, but it flaps out in front of me. It's not cool. Now, let me show you what happens if I'm too early on it. So I'm gonna go around, and of course it doesn't go out. It fizzled out right in front of me. I'm probably gonna have a bunch of wood knots to deal with in a bit. I'm just gonna take 2 seconds out of this video to say, please like, share, and subscribe. It really means a lot. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, so if you can hit that like button and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you so much. It's a very accurate cast too. Wherever I'm pointing my body at is where it's gonna go. So right now, I'm pointing 30 degrees down the river, and I'm going to do a snake roll, and it goes exactly where my body is facing. No matter what, as long as I am keeping that 10 and 2 going that way, it's going to follow you, which is really awesome, because if I point my body like this now and I do a snake roll, well, darn it, I just hit the bank. Give me a sec. So wherever your body is facing, that's where it's gonna go, no matter what. Another thing that really helped me was right here. You see how much running line I have out? Basically nothing. Work on just having the head and the sink tip out, and forget about shooting a bunch of line out. Even if you feel like you have it down and you could feel like it's like recoiling back on you, don't do it yet. Just wait, just be patient, because you're working on that whole mechanics and everything. As soon as you start thinking that you can shoot out running line, you're going to hurt yourself, man. And I've done it so many times, so please listen to me. Work on just the head, man. I'm telling you, it works so well. And then when you get like really good at it, like you can mess around with it and just like kind of do these little just these little tiny snake rolls sometimes when you want to correct yourself. Like, it is such a cool touch and go cast, like, and it's such a powerful cast. It doesn't have to be just a fancy cast that kind of impresses people or whatever. It's a really utilitarian type of cast, and I will just sit here and do these little things and see what I can do and what I can get away with, and then it just kind of gets your motor skills going. That's really what I like about learning and just going to a riffle and just kind of just seeing what it actually takes to get one out, and then kind of refining it. So I'll just do these like little tiny snake rolls for like, I don't know, 5 minutes or whatever when I'm taking like a little break from fishing. I just finished a run, I fished it out. And you know, I'm confident that I've done everything in this run, and I want to take some time and just kind of perfect a cast. That's what I'm gonna do. When you see like a really good Spey caster, they're not all over the place, man. They're so tight, and man, that's something to strive for if you want. Boom, beautiful, love it. This is a huge deal for me too, because I'm very top hand dominant. As soon as you start incorporating more of the bottom hand, oh man, this thing, it lights up. Like, you will shoot line for days if you can start getting that bottom hand going. Just shoot this out. There we go. Like, I don't know. It just got so much power. Whenever I want to bomb one of these casts, I am making sure that I am cranking on my bottom hand. Like, you just heard all that recoil. Well, that just got stuck over here, but let me just do that again, just because I want to. Like, it just goes, man. It's so awesome. Bottom hand, get that going. So hopefully this video has helped you get a better understanding of the snake roll, and I hope that you watch Jon Hazel's video, because dude launches those things. It makes it look so easy. It makes it so fun, and uses all these cool techie things that he just knows, right? I'm telling you, go have some fun. Go learn the snake roll. It is so much fun. We'll catch you on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe, because there's more coming down the pipe.